Naked House, a bold renovation project by XStudio, located in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, Spain. Set within the historic neighborhood of Guanarteme, the house stands as a quiet resistance to rapid urban growth that has overwhelmed the area. Amidst a landscape where massive new developments clash with modest self-built homes, this project embraces preservation, recovery, and adaptation, proving that architecture can honor its past while reshaping the way we live today. The program of the house is thoughtfully layered. A design studio occupies the ground floor, a private residence unfolds on the first floor, and a rooftop terrace serves as a recreational retreat. Rather than competing with its surroundings, the intervention turns inward. By creating an intimate interior world, the architects have crafted a home that maintains a sense of calm distance from the dense urban fabric outside. Central to the design is the recovery of the traditional courtyard, now expanded to serve as the organizing heart of the home. Around this void, the spaces connect visually and spatially, giving the interior a sense of openness and continuity. Natural light is drawn deeper into the house through 3 strategically placed skylights, encouraging moments of reflection as the gaze shifts upward to the sky. The material palette reinforces the honesty of the project. Layers of history are revealed through stripped-back finishes, exposing original silicoline brick, concrete slabs, and load-bearing walls. These raw surfaces are paired with crisp white planes, creating a striking balance of texture and tone. Sunlight interacts with these materials throughout the day, highlighting their imperfections and celebrating their authenticity. To complement this foundation, the architects introduced a precise selection of new materials: custom pinewood carpentry, microcement in the wet areas, and troweled concrete floors. These modern interventions, carefully layered over the historic shell, establish a dialogue between old and new. Naked House is not just a renovation. It's a manifesto of restraint, light, and continuity, offering a powerful model for sustainable living in the modern city.